My name is Andrew Dent. I'm the Director of Strategy and Communications for Citrix Labs and the CTO office. My organisation is responsible for forwarding the charter of Citrix to innovate in the areas of remote access and mobility technologies. Citrix has got a long history in the application delivery and remote access spaces. As far back as 1999, our company's motto was a world that people can work and play from anywhere. And now, with the explosion in mobility, our technologies have become more and more relevant. When we talk to our customers, we hear different things about what mobility means to them. For some customers, it's about end-user satisfaction. For others, it's about security.
Hi, my name's Barry Jung. I'm the End-User Computing Product Manager at Aon for APEC. On a daily basis, we have around 3,500 of our 5,500 APEC users connecting to our data centre for services.
My name's Gilbert and I'm the Manager of Next Technology at the University of Sydney. My role comprises managing our client technologies at the university as well as our innovation portfolio. The University of Sydney has about 7,500 staff and we look after about 50,000 students across our campuses across New South Wales.
To me, enterprise mobility is actually accessing your systems and data when you're away from the office. And this can be over your own device, it can be over a corporate device, and it can also be over a mobile device.
For us, mobility means that wherever one of our staff members or our students are, whether they be on site, overseas, out in the field counting bilbies, they're able to gain access to the information or the applications or services that they need to make sure that they get the best experience that they can.
So the whole process of actually providing enterprise mobility means you have to look at the centralisation of your data, and this in itself can achieve a lot of benefits that your business may be looking for already. Another of these is how are you actually going to present your solution to your users so that they can access it from their own devices.
Our customers are finding that by extending their existing application virtualization infrastructures into the mobility space, they're finding it's bringing huge value into their businesses.
So there are parts of our business which rely on brokers and other agents of the company being face-to-face with the customers. Brokers would have to go out, visit the customer, take notes, come back to the office and transpose those and update the systems from their desk. By actually freeing them up from their desk, it actually gives them more time in front of the customer, which ideally is more beneficial to the business.
I think there's no question that we live in a world now that is mobile. The challenge is that many organisations haven't caught up with that yet. And particularly as we look to the generation that are coming through universities, because they have grown up with that kind of technology, there is this expectation that they'll be able to have access to what they need at their fingertips at any point in time.
So in general terms, we're seeing a lot of mobility being driven by companies that are actually trying to be a top employer for staff. Staff are actually needing mobility nowadays to balance their work-life combination. And you're seeing a lot of financial institutions and a lot of large organisations that are keen to be attractive employers that are offering mobility solutions to try and attract the quality staff that they want.
Over the next 2 years, the university will continue to invest in client technologies. Our aim during that period is to make sure that we present a curated experience to our students and staff, so that regardless of the device they're using, we're able to ensure that we present them with just the right information for where they are and what they're trying to do.
In 2 years' time, we will be offering flexible work practices as a standard offering to our staff. They'll be able to spend part or all of their working week working remotely, and they'll be able to do it using non-Aon provided devices. The idea of this is we can contain IT costs and we can also centralise data and make it easier for the different teams to share information across the country.
Mobile access to information and technology is the future. There's no organisation that I can think of that doesn't need to consider the way that their staff and their users are accessing technology. So for us, making sure that people are able to have conversations, that people are able to gain access to their information is our lifeblood.